Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is one of the craziest blockages in a drain pipe I've ever seen. Take a look at the end result of the large pile of mud and roots which were pulled from the pipe.
Oh my god, it's still going.
This septic tank pipe was unclogged by water jetting, causing an explosion of septic waste and garbage to spew out. Here you can see a large waterfall of garbage flowing out of this waste pipe, and the grease and waste blocking the pipe were removed. Another video of a massive clog in a ground drainage pipe. Definitely recommended to use gloves when doing this kind of work, even though this man seems to know what he's doing very well.
Push, love, push.
That is
Push. I can see that you're crowning.
It's about the tightest one of those I've seen in a long time. Holy dooly. I think you got a whole horse up there.
Okay, no problem.
Do you think that might be the problem, boss?
I think that might be it.
Seems to be flowing now.
Really? Where do you reckon that's coming from?
A really badly flooded street in the process of being opened by this worker. A lot of plastic bottles, leaves and other waste were blocking the street drain, causing the streetway to be totally flooded after a storm. A large flood after a seasonal storm.
Here it is. I heard it.
Satisfying clip of a drain unclogger called Post 10 opening a frozen pipe.
Melt any ice out of the pipe. Only about a half an inch. Would definitely not support my weight. Whoa! That was awesome.
This video was recorded inside of a septic waste pipe, where grease was blocking the pipes. Take a look at what happens when pressure was applied to the pipes.
That was right after the PVC, right? Now that we're in the clean out. Yeah, it's the clean out. Yeah. Here she comes. She's coming, baby. Oh, oh. Run away. Oh, it's a... Oh.
This great father is teaching his son the importance of helping your community by opening street drains. Take a look.
Maybe there isn't one. Okay, oh, looks like you got it. Oh yeah, the neighborhood's gonna thank you for that. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah, I see the whirlpool here. Where's? Oh, there it is. Oh, Sebastian, good job. You know where your drains are. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, yeah, the neighborhood's really gonna thank you for that. Doesn't take a lot to clog it up, huh? It doesn't take a lot to clog it up at all. You better clear the leaves out. Oh, that's a lot of leaves.
An Australian drain unclogger, opening a restaurant's drain pipe which was badly blocked. Fantastic job.
You can't tell me that there's a better job out there than clearing blocked drains. I mean, this is what dreams are made of, mate. Way on cue! Woohoo! Mate, we have just cleared it. This is unbelievable. It's like artwork. It's a bloody Picasso, mate. Look at it. Whoa! All the grease and wow! I mean, I'm telling you guys, there is nothing quite like the moment you clear a block drain. It's just so bloody satisfying, mate. All that hard work has paid off. And I just got to say, give yourselves the biggest of bloody pats on the back that you've given yourself all year. Because this was a real team effort. This took a bit of persistence, took a bit of patience, but you guys were with me the whole... Whoa! Look at this! We've got a second wind! This is just amazing, guys. I mean, it's just a privilege to have you guys on board. You know, while I'm looking back at it, it's my first year on the tube, the old YouTube, and you guys have been with me through thick and thin, through bloody blocked toilets, blocked grease traps, blocked kitchen sinks, blocked basins, blocked showers, blocked stormwater, blocked bloody everything, guys. And I've got to say, you guys, out of all the communities going around on YouTube, you've got to be the best. You've got to be the bloody best by a country mile, mate. Bloody proud to have you on board, and it's an absolute privilege to be on your screens every couple of days. So thank you very much. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Yeah, mate, she's all clear now. Yeah, go and run a couple of sinks inside if you want, buddy. Now she's all sweet.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It would really help me to make these videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.
You never know what's around.